Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set your work status in Teams. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you want to go to Teams and then click on the profile picture at the top left. Click on click on the offline message. And then here you will be able to click on any of the status you want to set. So let's say you don't want any people to disturb you. You can click on do not disturb and then it will be set to do not disturb in Teams. So no one will be able to send any phone call, or if they send a message, then you will not receive a notification for that. And that is how you can set your work status in Teams. If you found this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.